We're here in Timaru, New Zealand at Elite Transport Refinishers, where quality and innovation collide. This brand new Kenworth K220 from Southpac Trucks has been coated in Ballistic Flex Clear for Bascik Transport. Led by Tony Basick, Bascik Transport is the South Island's leading freight service provider, proudly operating under the motto, always first for service. This clear replaces traditional paint protection film. No peeling, no yellowing, no edges, just seamless protection over every rivet. Built with ceramic ingredients, it washes like a dream and provides a mirror-like gloss that will make the color pop. We take you inside the booth, around the shop, talk with the owner Red to find out more about Elite Transport and why they chose Ballistic Flex Clear. Hey guys, it's Brad from Body-Liner. I'm here with Red from Elite Transport Refinishers. We're excited. We just sprayed this beautiful Kenworth front end for Southpac Trucks. And Red, I gotta say, you got yourself a beautiful operation. How long have you guys been here?
I've owned this for 5 years.
Yep.
We've had this building since 1998. We've been here.
Oh, so you guys have been around for quite some time.
Yeah.
So what got you into the trade?
Left school, needed a job.
Yeah, perfect.
Got into it.
So how long have you been doing it?
Since 1993 I left school and I've been here ever since.
Awesome. And so what does Elite Transport Refinishers, what do you guys all specialize in?
Mainly trucks. That's the big one. Do a lot of aircraft.
Yep.
And just anything commercial.
And I know we got Body-Liner in the shop here, so what are you hoping a product like Body-Liner could do for your clientele?
Hoping that it's going to do away with PPF.
Yeah.
Obviously that's just something else we can offer our customers instead of sending it to the sign rider. The whole package, something different.
What did you think? We applied some stuff in the booth. From what you saw from the first get-go, what are your thoughts of our Ballistic Flex Clear?
I think I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Sprays beautifully, looks cool, looks really nice, super glossy. Everyone's raving about it.
So if you're looking for Body-Liner in the Timaru area, we got you covered with Red at Elite Finish Transporters. That's it for here in Timaru, and I'd just like to say, Red, thank you very much.
Thank you, Brett.
Yeah.
Cheers.
See, it's easy. Yeah, you did good.
Yeah, you're right until I see the cut of it.
Nah, it'll be good. It'll be good.